This then is 3.41, okay, the rates topic for Unit 3. Again, that's the sheet that you should have in front of you, and I'm just going to run through the answers. So what happens during a chemical reaction? Bonds are broken, new bonds are formed, particles collide. Particles always have to collide with enough energy for a reaction to occur. What happens to rate when you increase the temperature? It also increases. The reason for this is particles have more kinetic energy, more likely to collide, higher chance of successful collisions. Okay. What happens when you increase concentration of Y? Again, rate increases, more particles in the same volume, more likely to collide, higher chance of successful collisions. Okay. Again, surface area increase is the rate, more space for particles to collide, quicker rate of reaction. And then finally a catalyst, they work by lowering activation energy. Less energy is required for a reaction to take place, needed to increase the yield quicker. Okay, how could we measure rate? We can measure it in 3 ways. Gas given off, measure colour change, measure the change in mass. What is activation energy? Minimum amount of energy required for a particle to collide and react. Advantages of using a gas syringe: it's really easy to collect gas given off, however small volumes need to be measured. How can you improve the colour change experiments? Use colorimetry. How can you improve the mass formed experiments? Use data loggers, measure small increments in change of mass. How do you draw a tangent, a line above the point? How do you calculate gradient difference in Y over difference in X? Okay, and when I say tangent, and you've got this sheet for you, tangent is that line there, it's slightly above the point, and I would always go, say that was 10, I'd go 5 and 15, equal distances both sides, and then take the values for Y also.